Hi. Ganito ang pagpasok sa RLCC forum page. First of all, so punta kayo dun sa rlccphil.proboards.com and you will be able to go to this page. Once na nandun na kayo, punta kayo dun sa right hand corner. At makikita nyo doon nakalagay login or register. So, click nyo lang yung register. Okay. So, hintayin nyo lang sandali kasi medyo mabagal yung aking internet. So, after a while, pupunta na kayo doon sa pinaka-registration page. So, makikita nyo, forum registration. So, what you do is basically, papasok nyo yung email nyo. Right? Email address. So, rlccphil ang email ko at gmail, yan, .com. Okay? So, click continue. So, may background tayo rito ng paputok. So, once na nandun kayo, you would create a password. So, type nyo kahit anong password dyan. So, I'm typing my password. Bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyo yung password kasi basically, kailangan lang huwag nyo kakalimutan yung password nyo. And then, of course, you would put your name. Tapos, siyempre, birthday. So, March 4, 1960. Yan. Tapos, siyempre, piliin nyo yung gender nyo, male or female. Tapos, continue. Yan, medyo mabagal lang yung aking internet, kaya hindi agad lumalabas. Okay, so from here, bari ilalagay nyo yung inyong preferred na username na lalabas sa forum. So, type ko yung pangalan ko and then terms of service agreement. And then may lalabas na number. So, type nyo yung number na yon. 388-99963. So, iba-ibang number ang lalabas dyan. Don't forget, meron pang maliit na number na medyo parang gray, no? 77. Now, as you can see, medyo actually mali ako sa username ko. So, kailangan walang space. Ngayon, nakalimutan kong sabihin. Kailangan walang space ang inyong username. Ayan, Bong Bailon lang. So, walang space. So, pwedeng initials lang. Bahala na kayo. And then, lalabas ulit yung number. So, don't forget, i-type nyo yung parang gray na number, 826. And then, 258-546. Again, iba-iba yung number, hindi pare-parehas yan. And then, of course, you will have to get your activation key na siyang pinadala sa inyo via your email. So, you have to go to your email. Yan. Okay, so I'll go to my email. In this case, Gmail yung ginamit ko. So, I have to go to my Gmail account. Yan. So, nandun na yung email ko. So, all I have to do is click that and then kakopyin ko yung activation key. Okay? Just copy the activation key. At pagkatapos nun, you just paste it dun sa box na yon na nakalagay activate. Okay, that's it. Just click activate. Medyo mabagal yung aking internet. So, yan. So, success. So, basically, once you have this, or once you see this, just click continue ulit. Tapos, you will now be able to access the forum. Actually, you can access the forum as a guest, kaya lang hindi kayo makakapasok doon sa iba't ibang mga discussions. So, basically, you will see dito sa discussions, mayroong iba't ibang, may tatlong boards, yung communities, equipping, and also administration. So, sa communities, nandun yung mga iba't ibang communities, and if you click them, pupunta kayo doon sa discussion board nung community na yon. So, as an example, punta lang tayo doon sa posting nakalagay a new name, a new game. So this was posted by GV. So as you can see, now meron akong face dito, but basically it's yung face ng admin. So I can post anything dito sa thread na to, and just press yung quick reply. Again, medyo mabagal lang yung aking internet ngayon, so medyo hindi agad nagre-respond. Now, you would notice na doon sa yung avatar ko, hindi ko kamukha yan. It's a cartoon. So, you will have to go to profile. Punta kayo ng profile. Tapos, doon sa profile, doon nyo babaguhin ng inyong picture. So, edit profile. Ayan. Tapos, once you go to that page, ayun, piliin nyo lang yung use only the uploaded or linked. Ayan, just click nyo yun. Tapos, click nyo yung uploaded. Tapos, get your image. So, kung saan man nakalagay yung image nyo, usually sa pictures yan. So, I'll get mine dun sa pictures. Ayan, pipili lang ako ng medyo picture na may pogi points. Ayan. So, hanapin ko lang. Saan kaya maganda. Okay? Of course, any picture can do, no? Pero bahala na kayo. So, I'll get this picture. Ayan. Ayan na. Pwede na siguro yan. So, you would notice mag-upload agad yun immediately. And then lalabas na yung picture. So don't forget to save. Kailangan save nyo yung avatar changes. Save nyo yun. Yan. So from now on, every time na pupunta kayo sa mga discussion boards at post kayo doon ng anything, makikita nyo na yung face nyo doon. So just to check it, punta tayo muli doon sa new game. Ayan. So, makikita nyo na, of course, yung picture na to, this is the administrator. And then, ito yung picture ko, no? Na kanina na cartoons lang lumalabas. Well, si Edward hindi pa nag-upload ng picture, kaya wala pa siyang picture dyan. Ayan. So, you would see na this is a communication tool. So, hindi pa complete ito. We'll probably just add other boards as needed. Basically, yung thread, ibig sabihin nun, usapan, and then yung post, yun yung mga nilalagay ng mga tao, mga pinopost nila. So, you would see dun sa administration, mga iba't ibang mga groups, and the equipping, this is important. So, you may want to check this out. Bala ko maglagay kasi ng mga training din dyan that you can easily access. Yung bulletin board, of course, yun yung parang general na for information, announcements, and all of that. Dun sa baba, mga explanation lang yan. So, dito sa mga discussion boards, I want you to just check out yung dito sa well, may mga menu, alright? So if you want to just try it out, mga lang yan, mga links. So one thing na I'd like you to check out talaga is itong Live Like Jesus. I'm testing this out. Live Like Jesus. So if you click that, pupunta kayo dun sa nakalagay subject, Live Like Jesus. So if you click that, by the way, some of the groups kailangan ng password, pero most of the groups pwedeng kahit sino. So here, nakapaliwanag lang yung training, and you can just read it from there and click yung training, and then it will bring you dun sa mga lessons na pin-prepare ko. Okay, so I hope you can just try it out. This is a good lesson on discipleship, learning to live like Jesus. So, basically, ganun lang naman yun. Simple lang naman. And if you need my help for any kind of problem, just let me know. Okay? So, I hope na that's helpful. So, remember yan, yung mga postings sa bulletin board. Basically, mga mga announcements, information, etc. Let's just make use of this for easier communication, kasi private ito, tayo lang naman ang nandito, no?